Afternoon, everyone. I welcome all the participants and today's resource person, Engineer Avdesh Upadhyay sir, to the third session of day 3 of our AICT IST sponsored online induction refresher program on innovations in concrete technology. I would like to introduce our today's resource person, Engineer Avdesh Upadhyay sir. Engineer Avdesh Upadhyay has done his MTech from VNIT Nagpur. He started his service almost 16 years ago and today he is working in Ultratech Cement Limited as a regional head technical services, Solapur region. He has published 5 technical and research papers in national and international journals on concrete. He is the member of Indian Concrete Institute, American Concrete Institute, and the Institute of Engineers. He has traveled to Thailand, Malaysia, and South Africa for the study purpose as well as for the business visit. Let us begin our today's session on Avatars of Concrete by Mr. Avdesh Upadhyay sir. I would like to request sir to start the session.
Madam, screen share, please.
Yes.
Madam, please allow me to share my screen.
Yes, sir. I have allowed. Hello, sir.
Yeah, screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Avdesh Upadhyay, Regional Head Technical Services, Ultratech Cement Limited. Before start my presentation, just I would ask you one question. You people heard about the various avatars of Lord Vishnu, that is 24 avatars of Lord Vishnu. But let me tell you, our concrete has also taken many avatars depending on the needs and wants of the concrete producer. So it all starts with stones. In century, stones was considered to be the most robust and durable construction materials. But it had some problems. Nowadays, stones are not available because of its heavy weight, high cost, and inflexibility. High cost because of its logistic and transportation. So what is the panacea for all these problems? Panacea means answer to all the problems or solution to all the problems. So panacea for all the problems was flowing stone, and flowing stone is nothing but our concrete. So answer to all this problem is concrete. Today here I am not discussing standard concretes or normal concrete, but here I am going to discuss with you special concretes. Now question arises, what is special concrete? Special concrete is a concrete that's specially designed to achieve one or more properties, behavior, composition, or performance to be different and usually superior compared to whom? Compared to our conventional concrete or compared to our standard concrete. And the possibility with special concretes are endless. Nowadays, I can say concrete is just like a menu or recipe. If somebody wants to eat Chinese, continental, or Indian, so they can order accordingly. So if somebody wants special concrete like high performance concrete, high strength concrete, compacting concrete, or whatever, they can order as per their requirements. But special concrete can even be designed and specified for project specific. For example, in Gujarat, actually, we have supply special concrete for bullet trains. In Nagpur Metro and in Pune Metro, we have supply concrete as per their needs. So special concrete needs special care. As VIP person require VIP treatment, so our special concrete needs special care and control to achieve the desired properties. Concrete's many green benefits make it sustainable choice. When considered over its entire life cycle, starting from extraction, processing, construction, operation, demolition, and recycling, concrete make a significant contribution to triple bottom line, like environment, social, and economy of sustainable development. How concrete is green or how concrete is sustainable material, I will explain you in my next slide. If you look at this bar graph shows if you produce 1 ton of aluminium, production energy is required 270 joules. If you produce stainless steel, production energy require 90 per joules. For steel, it's 30 per joules. For glass, it's 20 per joules. And for Portland cement, it requires 5 to 7 joules per ton. Whereas reinforced concrete require only 2.5 joules per ton. So concrete manufacturing results in a less CO2 per unit than almost all construction material, making it sustainable construction material of choice. So concrete is greener material, sustainable material compared to other construction materials. So what are the benefits of concrete? Yes, concrete is safe. Concrete use fewer natural resources. Concrete use concrete with blended cement. Concrete uses recycled material. Concrete uses plastic waste. Concrete uses rubber waste. Concrete is durable. Concrete save energy, and concrete save time also. So these are some avatars or manifestation of concrete. As I earlier told you, high strength concrete, high performance concrete, and fiber reinforced concrete, high volume fly ash concrete, foam concrete, self-compacting concrete, self-curing concrete, smarter concrete, then control low strength concrete, pervious concrete, roller compacted concrete, reflective concrete, translucent concrete, colored concrete, and decorative concretes. So I will discuss few of them in my next slides. This type of structure is possible only with concrete. Without concrete, such type of structure, construction of such type of structure is not possible. If you look at this aesthetic structure in concrete, these are few aesthetic structure in concretes. And this type of structure construction is possible in concrete because of its flexibility, durability, and moldability. Concrete not only used in building or commercial, or residential or commercial building, but it offers many advantages for roadways because it minimizes the potential for potholes, require little maintenance, and eliminate the need of spring thaw, weight resistance in cold country. This is not applicable in our country, but it offers more economical than asphalt in long haul, and it brings environmental and safety benefits. The longevity of concrete pavement is well documented. If you look at this Marine Drive roads, it built around 1916, then Grand Trunk Road, then Nagpur Road, all are the concrete roads. So they are also well documented and durable also. These are some creation in concrete. Some new varieties of concrete is ultra high performance concrete, that is UHPC. UHPC is also known as reactive powder concrete. It is a high strength ductile material formulated by combining Portland cement, silica fume, cord floors, fine silica sand, high range water reducer, water and steel or organic fibers. So what are the advantages of this high performance concrete if you compare with normal concrete? So if you look at the compressive strength, normal concrete compressive strength is 25 to 35 MPa, whereas HPC compressive strength is up to 200 MPa. Flexibility is 50 MPa, whereas modulus of elasticity, that is E, is 45 to 50 GPa. It is highly ductile, it is strong, durable, highly bending tensile strength, and high resistance to salt, increased resistance to abrasion, speed in construction, and it greatly reduces the permeability to moisture, chloride, and chemical attack. These are some applications of UHPCP, that is scraper path in treatment plant, architecture, bridge, narrow support, filigree beam, thin or slab-like component, buttress for high pressures. If you look at this, what is this? This is nothing but car made up of cement. So civil engineer now manufacturing car with the help of cement and concrete. This cement cross-linked with polymers, tensile strength is 200 MPa, and it's micro defect free cement. So everything is possible with the help of cement and concrete. So next special concrete is foam concrete. Foam concrete is generally composed of cement slurry with or without control quality of fine aggregate with introduced air. It is stable foam generated from foam generated using foaming agent for what? To reduce the density of concrete considerably, as low as 100 kg per cubic meter. What are the applications? These are the properties of foam concrete. Density is ranges around 400 to 600. Then strength is 1 to 15 MPa, self-leveling ability, pumpability, and introduce stable air bubbles. And the size of air bubbles is 300 to 400 microns. These are application of foam concrete, road subways, trench filling as heat insulating materials for roof of residential and industrial buildings. These are application of foam concrete, that is precast panels for non-load bearing partition wall, lightweight filling material for achieving slope to facilitate the drainage, to make complicated shapes of architecture facing works because of its flowing and molding ability without adding significant to structure dead load. Sometimes we people are using Koba. So instead of doing Koba, we can use this foam concrete because this is light in weight and we can give any shape to the structure and to maintain the slope. This type of concrete is give excellent performance. These are photographs of foam concrete application. Then next concrete is pervious concrete. Pervious concrete is also called as no fine concrete or with very little fine aggregate. So as per definition, pervious concrete is a concrete which is designed with closely graded aggregate and cement paste with little or no fine aggregate. They have introduced connected pores which allow water to flow through. So objective of this concrete is to allow water to flow through. These are some properties of pervious concrete. We don't want compressive strength from pervious concrete. So if you look at the range, compressive strength is 3 to 20 MPa, but we require porosity. So porosity range is from 15 to 25% by volume. We require a water drainage rate. So it ranges from 120 to 320 liter per meter square per minute. And density is 1600 to 2000. And pore size is ranges from 2 to 8 mm. Its application of pervious concrete, residential road, like driver way, then tree guards, swimming pool, pavement, edge drain, sea walls, bridge equipment, swimming pools, deck, beach structure, sewage treatment plant, especially sludge beds. These are some photographs of pervious concrete walkthrough. Then next avatar is our flowable fill. This concrete is basically controlled low strength material or liquid soil in colloidal term. Strength is 1.5 to 9 MPa. Density is 1400 to 2000 kg per meter cube. Mostly used in trench filling. Durability is not a criteria, but flowability, we require flowability. So it is self-compacting in nature. These are some pics of flowable fill. It is used for trench filling.
Hello, sir. Hello.
These are next concrete is decorative concrete. Now concrete is not a gray material. When somebody wants my concrete color is red, so we will give him red color concrete. If somebody wants my concrete color is green in color, so we will give in green color. Only we have to add integral pigment. So based on the pigment color, concrete become red or green or whatever client wants. This concrete is basically used for surface finishing that are available to improve the aesthetic view. Then architectural concrete. Architectural concrete has become more widely used as architects see way to enhance the appearance of concrete. If you look at this photograph, these are architectural concrete. We can give any shape, shade, color, depending on the client's requirement.
Hello, sir.
Concrete, now concrete in a door. One more concrete, that is polished concrete. Now polished concrete is fast becoming the ultimate no wax flooring material. This is possible because of advanced equipment and techniques. Contractors are now grinding the concrete floor surface, whether new or old, to high glow finish that never need wax or any coating. If you look at photograph, you will feel high glow finish. These are some examples of polished concrete. So there is no need for wax, there is no need for any coating, and it illuminate lights, reflect light, so electricity bill is reduced because of this concrete. These are stained concrete. Stained concrete is one of the most popular application for transforming concrete slab. Unique outcome can be achieved combining if you are using color, applications, technique, etc. on cement flooring and other substrates. This concrete is used for creativity. These are some photographs of staining of concretes. Or flat schemes or or you can use at any structures. Depend on clientele choice, and these are stencil concrete. This is basically nowadays architectures are using this type of concrete. Stain can be used on new concrete or existing. This is basically blocking technique. A high quality paper stencil is used for creating many variety decorative effect in concrete. This is nothing but, in short, actually, I just want to explain you. Being a civil engineer, at the time of our our graduation or our polytechnic, we are used to that is called, what is called that topo or GT. So सिविल इंजीनियर कभी भी जीटी एंड टोपो करना छोड़ता नहीं है, तो सेम टेक्निक उसने यहाँ पे भी यूज किया है. सो इसमें एक्चुअली एक जीटी और टोपो एक पर्टिकुलर पेपर होता है, जो डिजाइन्स होती है, वो डिजाइन को न्यूली लेड कंक्रीट पे रखा जाता है एंड वो डिजाइन को फिर कॉपी किया जाता है. आई विल शो यू इन नेक्स्ट फोटोग्राफ. सी दिस इज these are the designs which is laid in newly laid concrete, and you can use colors, different colors, to create this concrete. Now for furniture, these are basically furniture made up of concrete. This tea table, then this cushion, then this couch, all are made up of concrete. Now countertop is also made up of concrete. Either countertops are precast in shop or built on sites. Precast better quality due to control condition, especially casting tables, better curing, cast in situ, to suit client particular needs. If somebody wants curvature countertop, if somebody wants different shape or size, so we can adjust accordingly. So countertops are made up of cement, lightweight aggregate, and combination of additives, that is fibers, silica fumes, pozzolana, etc. These are some photographs of countertop. In kitchen countertop, we usually use that granite or marbles. Nowadays, that granite and marbles are costly, so we can replace that granite and marble countertop with our concrete countertops.
फुल स्क्रीन मध्ये विंडो दाखवता का सर बघा.
Then sink and vessel made by concrete. So everything is possible in concrete nowadays. These are concrete outdoor sitting. These are stamped concrete. Stamped concrete nowadays in India, actually it is popular. So Ultratech, we also provide stamped concrete in major cities like Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Noida, Chennai. For outdoor kitchen places, because of moldability, flexibility, and durability, we can give any shape, size in concrete, and it requires less maintenance compared to other construction material. This aesthetic wall is in concrete, so we can give any design any design, any if somebody wants to anchor his or her photograph, his or her picture, then it is possible in concrete. So this is actually photo anchor concrete. You can put your photographs also. But it is not available in India. Actually, it is in a trial basis. So concrete of 22nd century and beyond. These are actually concrete beams, ready-made concrete beam. If somebody want a particular size and shape beam, so in laboratory we can prepare and we give it to our customer. This designer column is also possible in concrete. These all are basically columns. Then these are ready-made slab panels. These are wall panels. So we can give any shape, size, any design, any aesthetic or architectural view in this wall panel. And this wall panel is comparatively cheaper than glass and other concrete material, and it is durable and require very less maintenance. These are precast trusses. Then next concrete is translucent concrete. Translucent blocks are made by mixing glass fibers, acrylic rod or optical fiber to make concrete allow light to pass through partially. So this type of from translucent concrete we can use as a partition wall or in offices. So this translucent concrete allow to see through and through, and it is durable also, and it can replace glass panel also. So there is no need for glass, and again it requires very less. So these are in concrete. Then next is
Hello, sir.
yeah. Yes, ma'am.
So your voice getting disconnected in between. I think there is poor network.
Okay. This is a light transmitting concrete. Concrete. This is under trial basis. So just I heard and just I want to share this thing with you. This type of light transmitting concrete is also possible. Then if you want to project some part or highlight some part, so it is also possible in this concrete. This concrete is called as concrete rear projection screen. It is also under trial. Then bendable concrete. University of Michigan has developed a new fiber reinforced bendable concrete. It has many advantages, like it is 40% lighter, 500 times more resistance to crack, 37% less expensive, consume 40% less energy and produce 39% less carbon dioxide than the regular concrete. So because of this bendability, we can mold or we can use such type of concrete for architectural, or it can be used for beams and where moldability is property is highly required. These are foldable concretes. It is also under a trial process. So in future, we will see such type of concrete. Paper crates. Then inflatable concrete. This is something interesting. An inflatable pouch of cement impregnated cloth have peak considerable amount of pressure to building in a bag concept. The idea basically it is used in a disaster relief situation, and how it's work I will explain you. This bag is weight is roughly around 230 kg to 250 kg approx. When inflated, it covers 172 square feet of floor space, and its costing is roughly around 1.1 lakh to 1.2 lakh. Equivalent, if you want to purchase equivalent porta cabin cost is roughly around 3 to 3.5 lakhs. And if you want to if you purchase a normal tent, then tent cost is 1 lakh rupees. And this inflated bag is waterproof, moisture-proof, fire-proof, and it is highly recommended and used in especially disaster relief situations. This is concrete cloth. No, concrete cloth is basically used in canal lining, and it is already used in Maharashtra irrigation, in Maharashtra one of the irrigation projects. This concrete cloth can be used as a partition wall because of its flexibility, and it is durable also. Then this relaxed chair is also made up of concrete. UltraTech also produce some special concrete like Hypercon. Hypercon means high strength concrete. Then Fibercon. Then Fibercon is nothing but a fiber reinforced concrete. Then Free Flow. UltraTech Free Flow. UltraTech Free Flow is self-compacting concrete. Then Color Concrete, that is ColorCon. Then Stainless Concrete, that is corrosion resistance concrete. Then Thermocon, temperature control concrete. Then Permeable Concrete, it is known as UltraTech Concrete Pervious. Then UltraTech Decor, that is stem concrete. So concrete is reaching the sky, and sky is a limit. So everything nowadays is possible with the help of concrete, with the help of new technology. Thank you so much. Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello. Hello, sir. Participants can ask the questions. Participants having any questions, any queries, can ask the question. So there is one question.
Yes, ma'am.
Please discuss on concrete furniture.
Okay. As I discussed, and I told you, concrete is nowadays it is possible. Concrete is very flexible in nature nowadays. So we can made various type of furnitures. Yes.
Okay, any more questions? Okay, sir. Sir, one more question.
Yes, ma'am.
How to make reflective concrete? What is its mixed design?
Pardon?
How to make reflective concrete? What is
Ref-
its mixed design?
reflect.
Reflective concrete.
Okay.
Reflective concrete.
Yeah, sir. We are using actually fibers. You are talking about this translucent concrete, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
One more
in
slide you have
translucent,
shown. One more slide you have shown there. Reflective concrete. I think.
just wait. This is light transmitting concrete, sir. I have shown two slides. One is translucent concrete and one
Okay.
is transmitting concrete. So your question is pertaining to translucent concrete.
Okay. Okay.
So it is possible, sir, because in such type of concrete, actually coarse aggregate is minimal, and we are using actually glass fibers. And apart from glass fiber, that is acrylic rods and optical fibers. So these glass fiber or optical fibers or acrylic rods allow pass light through and through. So we can see a person if he is standing or sitting behind that particular wall.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
If participants are having any more questions, then they can personally mail sir. Sir, can you just share your email address to our participants?
Yeah, ma'am. It's avdesh.upadhyay, AVDHESH dot UPADHYAY @AdityaBirla.com.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. You people allow me to share some my experience, and thanks for your patience hearing. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for such an informative session on avatars of concrete. Your session was very elaborate and detailed. I am sure all the participants have thoroughly benefited from your session. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.